Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are new around here, welcome. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. I do appreciate all of you guys being here. Please make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Hit the bell notification button so that you don't miss an upload every time I post a video. And make sure you leave me a comment down below so that we can kind of talk and chit chat down there. So today I wanted to share with you some of the dividend stocks that we're down in. So besides SCHD, and I talked about SCHD a few videos back, I'll have it somewhere on the screen, but we were down in our position. Now we buy SCHD all the time. So, you know, when the market is going down, SCHD goes down with it. So we're kind of dollar cost averaging down. But we do like SCHD for the long term. And I talked about in that video that you just saw up on your screen why we love it so much and our goal for SCHD and all of that good stuff. So make sure you check out that video. But I have my tablet right here. We're going to pull up Robinhood and we're going to see some of the stocks and funds that we're down in, because sometimes you're not up all the time. I think sometimes when I first started anyway, I would have this false sense of reality, like, okay, when I invest, everything is going to go up and up and up and up. But let me tell you, the stock market quickly corrected me in that way of thinking. And so I want to make sure that those of you who are watching, those of you who are new, even those of you who are kind of like seasoned investors, we can kind of keep each other encouraged when the markets are red like they have been since August 1st. And we can just remember the end game here, that long-term investing always works. But again, it's long-term. Sometimes we think long-term is a year or 3 years. Long-term is really 5 years or more into the future. Some people would even say it's 10 years. That's long-term. And so I'm going to share with you some of our dividend stocks and Robinhood that we are down in. I'm just getting my things set up here on my end. But I wanted to show you the value of this particular portfolio before I invest any money over here. So right now it's about $50,458. So we are down about $1,500 because of the downturn in the market. We also sold CVS in this particular portfolio. I did talk about why we sold CVS in this video right here, so make sure you go check that out. But I do have buying power here of about $3,400, but I am going to transfer more money over here. So when I do my portfolio update, you're going to see this balance higher because I'm about to transfer more money over here. But I wanted to show you again some of the positions that we are down in. So I'm going to click on realty income. You're going to see it right up on your screen, and we are down in this position. Like if you look right now, we have 122.07 shares. Our average cost is about $65.89, but it's about $56 and some change. So we are down a lot in this position, but I do like realty income long term. Realty income is suffering because it's in the real estate sector, and every time those interest rates go up, it affects the real estate sector. So again, you know, long term, when they start to kind of pause interest rates or they start to come down, this sector will go back up again. So we're down about 15% in this particular position. I mean, it is what it is, which is about $1,160. So our current market value is about $7,000 in some change. So again, just being transparent, we are down in our realty income position over in Robinhood. So let's talk about Marvel Technology, okay? Ticker symbol MRVL. We are down 7.74% or $46.38. We have 10 shares of this. I really do like this company. It's a tech company, and it's really kind of getting into the AI sector, which, I mean, let's be honest, AI is the future. Our value for this position is $553, but we're down. We're down about 7.5%, but long term, I do believe in this. Again, does it feel good when your positions are down sometimes? No, it doesn't feel good. It sucks. You want your positions to go up. But I understand as an investor who has been doing this for about 9 years now that everything don't go up. But if you can find good quality companies at a discount, why not buy it? Not financial advice, but I mean, we'll line up on Black Friday for a $100 TV or a $10 toaster. Why don't we do the same thing when it comes to our assets? And yes, I was one of those people at once that was outside those stores lining up on Black Friday. I'm just keeping it real, right? We're just going to keep it real. Next, we're going to go to Altria, ticker symbol MO. So this is a tobacco company. This is a sin stock. And again, personal finance is personal. I'm investing in Altria. They are a tobacco and alcohol or wine company, but primarily tobacco. I do not smoke, believe it or not, and I don't even drink. So, I mean, I'll have like maybe a cocktail or champagne at an event, but I don't really like drink on my own or spend my own money on it. So, but that's what Altria is. And they are, big getting into the vaping sector. So not just tobacco like cigarettes, but vaping as well. And so, at the end of the day, there's always going to be people out there who want to indulge in that because that is their choice. And so investing in Altria, or ticker symbol ML, is my husband's and I choice. And so they do pay out a really, really nice dividend. They did raise their dividend. I wanted to mention this too. Altria did raise their dividend to 98 cents a share. So shout out to all of my fellow Altria owners. But we are down. Let's see how much we're down. We are down, just scrolling up, 8.59%. They did take a hit. They bought a company. The company fizzled out. And this is something that I love about the management in Altria. They recognized what they did. It was a bad business move, so they're turning around. See, that's what I like. I like, action and acknowledgement of something, and then you're just moving on from it. You learn from your mistake and you move on from it. Management really can make or break any type of company. So I really do like Altria. We're down about $420. We have about 102 shares. I am going to put more here. So the next time you see this will have more shares in it. Our value is about $4,471 or something like that. So next we're going to pull up Main Street. So you're going to see right here that Main Street is up 0.40%. It was just down. So the market is open. So this number will probably go back in the red by the time this video is finished. But Main Street we buy every month as well. So like, whether the market is good, whether the market is bad, we're buying this because it pays every single month. And we really do like Main Street Capital as well. It pays a dividend out. Sometimes they have special dividend payments throughout the year. So I love when I get those surprise payments in Robinhood. That really makes my day. But we were down in this. Now we barely are up, but again, the market is open and we'll probably be right back in the red again. But we have 104.54 shares, or about $4,100 the value is in this particular position. Our average cost is $39.71. So I am going to add more here too. But again, I wanted to show you that I'm not phased a bit when the market is down, when our stocks are down. It's okay. The market will come back. We just got to give it some time. I think sometimes, I have to remind myself that we have a student loan crisis. We have an inflation crisis in this country, and the market doesn't like uncertainty. The market likes to expect things. And when it has those two big things, we have a housing crisis in this country, an income crisis in this country. And so the market is going to be a little wavery for a while. But if you can withstand that, you'll come out on top. Okay. And finally, I wanted to share with you our SPDR portfolio, or S&P 500 high dividend ETF, ticker symbol SPYD. This is one of the newest additions to our portfolio that we just started investing in. So as the market has been coming down, we've kind of been dollar cost averaging down, if that makes sense. We really do like this particular fund. We love the diversification and makeup of it. So just down here, you can see the top 10 holdings is Seagate Technology, Amgen, you got Lionel, you got Packaging Corporation. I just like that a lot of the companies here are under the radar. They're not sexy like the Teslas and the Amazons, but there are a lot of other good companies on the stock market that are really, really good companies that just, aren't as known. So I do like those. And again, it's a high dividend ETF. So I love that. And we have 2 shares of it. Our market value is $73.06, and we're down 4.26% or 3.25. So again, not everything goes up. That's okay, right? We're going to breathe. We're going to focus on our goals, and we're going to get through this. So let me know down below any one of your stocks or funds that you are down in, and if you're not phased out about it. Now, if you are phased out about it and you want to move your capital elsewhere, you can do that because it is your portfolio. And I want to make sure I reiterate that personal finance is personal. You don't have to invest in something because someone else is investing in it. If you want to move your money somewhere else, you can do that anytime you want because it is your portfolio. Just like this one is hours. So again, I wanted to share with you those 5 companies we're down in, but overall in Robinhood, we're up the majority of our positions, and we're up like 20, 25, 30, 40% in some of them. So again, guys, I hope that that encourage, especially my new investors out there. If you need some extra help when you're new, I have a ton of resources that I created myself, books and spreadsheets, different groups. You can access all of that information down below in the description box. If you want to open up a Robinhood account, I have my referral link always down below with all of the brokers that I use. Again, thank you guys so much for watching. Please make sure you like, share, and subscribe. We're almost at 14,000 subscribers, and I can't get there without all of your help. So I do appreciate it. Again, thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye bye for now.